superstars of ISW must face the heat as Interspecies Wrestling presents Summer Slamtasia.
Growing up in Atlantic City, I was taught in the streets, everything happens in threes. And on June 15th, 2013, I make my ISW debut for the first time. I'm going and venturing to Canada for the very first time. And when June 15th is all said and done, I'm walking out the Interspecies Wrestling World Heavyweight Champion. Because is he dead yet? It's gonna happen on June 15th when I walk out the new ISW Heavyweight Champion. First time in Interspecies, first time in Canada, and the first time I'm gonna put gold around my waist. Sounds like an eventful evening on June 15th. There's nowhere else to fucking be except Ottawa, Canada on June 15th. Is he dead yet? You better hear me. Is he dead yet? You better fear me. Is he dead yet? You better believe me when I take your strap off your waist, June 15th.